So in this video, I want to show you how to enable or disable battery saver on Microsoft Surface 5. To do this, first we'll need to click on the start icon, navigate to the settings, then go for the system, power and battery. Inside we'll be able to find the battery saver and we can turn it on right now. Then there's turn battery saver automatically at a certain amount of percentage for your battery. And you can change it right here. You can even put it on never. Then there's the option that allows battery saver to lower screen brightness when you're at that mode, and you can enable or disable it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.